Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here. First of all, congrats if you followed the trades that are announced in the last videos, then you should have nice profits right now. So guys, the question right now is what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours or days? Let me show you guys. First of all, as you can see here, if you have been subscribed to my channel for a longer time, I called the trade that if we break above the $28,800 price level, we can scale up our trades. Or if you haven't been in a trade, then you can enter a long trade if you have a 4-hourly close above this price level. So as you can see right now, we broke it and we have already had a couple of 4-hourly closes above this price range. So guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So what can we expect to happen now? Let me show you on the 4-hourly time frame. As you can see, the stochastic RSI has some more space to really reach the overbought price level. What does it mean? As you can see here, the next resistance zone is about at $31,800. And as of right now, this could lead us to another pump. Let me show you. This would be about 3.6% more, depending on your position size. This should be some nice. This should be a nice profit. So if we go to the hourly time frame, as you can see here, the hourly time frame shows us that the RSI is somewhere in the mid-range. So this doesn't show us so much in which direction it could go, but as you can see here, we could maybe see a small cool down and maybe go to a price level like here, because as you can see here, this is a very much traded and respected zone. And then we could see the next pump to the upside because inflation is high and all of this stuff. This is very bullish for crypto in general. So let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum is also very bullish. Let's see on the 4-hourly time frame. Of course, guys, congrats again. I called this trade here when we break out of this descending triangle, we can enter a long trade. Congrats if you did it. And as you can see here, perfectly, if you watched, for example, my yesterday's video, I said, okay, we were trading about at this range, and I said, okay, because based on the RSI, we couldn't see a pump to the upside, and the next target would be this resistance line at about $2,110, and exactly as I predicted, we had a pump in the night to this price level. As you can see, really exactly as I said in the last video. If you don't believe it, watch my last video. So what can we expect now? As you can see here, the hourly RSI is almost in the oversold price zone, which could indicate the next pump to the upside. So what could happen, as you can see here, the next resistance zone is at about $2,264, which of course could give us a nice profit of about, let's say, about 7%, a pump to the upside with about 7% potential profit, which would be amazing. Then the next bigger resistance line is about $2,360. But first of all, we have to see how Ethereum will react when we reach this resistance. The next one, will we smash through it like we did here? As you can see here, we went to this line, stayed here a couple of hours, then went up to the next line, stayed a couple of hours. Maybe we will see the same happening here, guys. So that's what we can expect. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.